So I've created some input fields. You can see here an input field component. Pretty much the way it works is when it gets selected, it listens to any key input, which allows me to, in code, I've hard-coded that the first one gets selected by default. It's just in my example product. So if I press A, anything, it just starts typing and hold shift, and the modifier caps lock is working. Uppercase is working. I can backspace to delete them, obviously. Currently, I disabled the repeat option because it's too fast. I'll probably had to think to change that in the future. I can press 1, 2, or 3. 2 will select the second one, 3 is going to select the third one. This is just, in my example, nothing to do with the input field, which you can see why it's writes number 2, and then I can write in the third one, or the second one. But if I go delete it all, it shows the placeholder text, which is here. Here, sorry. So I can select one, I can delete it all. I can press enter also, which is the submit key, to deselect it. So if I press 2, enter, or 2, delete, enter, 3, delete all of them, and enter, you can see the current is not selected. If I press 1, now it's selected. Now watch the inspector. I can't even close it. I can press on this. Okay, I can't close it. But when I switch to camera and then click here, it switches to this. So it's very nice. As you can see, the input field is empty. The value has nothing. But the text renderer, because it uses text render to draw the text, has the input field 1 value in it, which is the placeholder. So if I press 1, now it says the value is 1. It's just string value, so I can do, it's not a number. Yeah. I've also added some modes into it, but they currently don't do very much apart from the password mode, which if I do, if I set them all to be field.mode is equal to password, and rebuild, they should all have now stars instead of actual values. See? Oh, yeah, that's also gonna have stars. But yeah, so as you can see, it's working. I can delete still. Now, if I click on here, inputs, you can see the value on the input field is actually the actual value, while the text render is just stars. So yeah. Also have the mode option built in to I have numerical, so it can only be numbers. I have floats, which is numbers and dots. I should probably do a filter on that and make it so that it can only be 1 dot, but it's fine for now. If you break it, you break it. It happens. Yeah, that's about it. So plain text returns true. So any character, is just gonna return true on it. When it's a password, if it doesn't contain the tab or the enter, it's gonna return true. When it's, I should add a username here, which just ignores tab and enter as well. Yeah, I might add those, and I didn't implement email. Yeah, so pretty much it just sets the value if it's not released. So when it's repeating, so I can show you when it's repeating or when it's pressed down, it would just, it would type. So 1, 2, 3, and it will D, and it, does that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and see ya.